everyone, this is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, coming to you from the Wicked Awesome Grow Room. Check out these peppers. They're doing so good, and you're going to see a video on how they got from little tiny seedlings up to beautiful peppers like these later this week. But today, we've got a seed haul. I said I was done with seeds for the year. All done, no more. Can't possibly fit anything else in the garden. I'm done. Everything is planned. And then Migardener just had to say something on his Facebook that they were restocking the seed store and had some new things, and I couldn't help myself. Now we have more seeds. So I have this dish that I make called Hungarian goulash. It's a dish that my mother made when we were little, and it really actually surprised her that we liked it so much, and it kind of became like the family meal that everybody looked forward to and begged her to make all the time. My kids won't eat it, but I still love it and I make it for myself. And one of the main ingredients in there as far as the flavor palette is paprika. In the store, you can find paprika, no problem, but what's harder to find is Hungarian paprika, which is just ever so slightly, I don't know how to explain the difference between the typical paprika you find in the store, which is more of a Spanish style, versus the Hungarian style. It's all made from peppers. It's all made from peppers, but I think the Hungarian paprika just has a little more oomph to it, and it really makes the dish. We always had a harder time finding Hungarian paprika, and so I decided if I'm going to grow some peppers, and if I'm going to grow some different variety of peppers, I want to find a Hungarian paprika pepper. So I went on a hunt. I've heard the Hungarian hot wax is one that's used in a lot, but it's really spicy. It's more heat than I typically like. So in my hunt, I came across a website called Pepper Joe's, and I'll show you what I got. Let's cut that baby open. And so these came in nice bubble wrap. Oh, and we got two little, oh, they sent me a couple extra seeds. How cool is that? I was not expecting it at all. What I ordered from Pepper Joe's were these Lutschauer peppers, which hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I took years and years of German, but it's not Hungarian. So it's slightly hotter than your average bell pepper, but not quite as hot as, say, even a jalapeno, which for me is super spicy, and for everybody else, it's like nothing. So I think these will be just enough. So in addition to my order, and I was not expecting this at all, they sent me 2 samples of other peppers. There are 5 seeds in each of these, and one of them is a paprika pepper. So I'm going to try these both and then maybe try a blend and see if I can find the right mixture. Oh my God, this is so exciting, and I'm going to have to grow these now. So in addition to my Lutschauer peppers, I also now have Alma Paprika peppers. I don't know about these. These are Trinidad scorpion peppers, and I'm not a hot pepper girl, so I might maybe grow one of them in my garden just to try it out. I am going to make some salsa. Maybe I'll make some hot sauce. Maybe this is the year that I finally start liking really spicy peppers. I'm certainly going to give it a try, because in the Migardener packet, I got some spicy peppers on purpose. I do love a good Migardener seed haul. Like, this is some good stuff here, guys. I'm really excited. Okay, so where are those peppers? Oh yeah, I forgot I got that. What I got from Migardener were these Chiltepin peppers. These are very, very hot peppers. Like, they are known as the, quote, mother of all peppers, because they were one of the earliest hot pepper varieties, as well as, God, they are hot. Woo! I don't know what I'm going to make with them, but I just wanted to grow them, so we'll see. Then I also got a sweet bell pepper, and I got these mainly because they were kind of pretty and a little bit different. Normally when you see bell peppers growing in somebody's garden, it's your typical green or red bell pepper. But these are purple. And anybody who knows me knows that I cannot resist purple. I think these really fit in with the goth garden that I'm growing this year, with my black tomatoes, those deep purple eggplant, the chocolate cherry sunflowers. So I think it's going to be a really fun mix. I couldn't resist also getting a few new tomatoes. Yeah, we thought 11 was enough, but no, apparently the magic number is 15. So as I may have mentioned before, I am looking for the paste tomato to grow in my garden. I need something that has a lot of meat on it, that grows a lot, and I just haven't found it quite yet. I am giving Roma's another try growing in ground because maybe they were just stunted by being in the pots. So I have Roma and San Marzano already, and those are already putting out their second set of true leaves. I'm going to be potting those up into larger pots very soon, probably next week, and we will have a video on that. I had wanted to grow the Amish Paste tomato because I've heard so many great things about it, and it just wasn't in stock anywhere when I was ordering seeds, but they're restocked, so I have the Amish Paste. And while I was looking at the Amish Paste, I also happened to come across the Jersey Devils. And I know all my friends who watched the X-Files with me and were big fans like I was are laughing at me right now. But these look really cool, and I had to buy them. I used to be a red tomatoes only girl. That's it. Red tomatoes. Tomatoes are red. That's it. And this year I've really started to branch out on the color because I just could not resist those black tomatoes. And then when I saw the white tomatoes, I had to have those. And I haven't yet branched out into the yellows and other colors, but this one just looked really pretty and I had to have it. It seems like a really great snacking tomato. The blush tomato. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? I love it. I love it. I love it. Can't wait. I can't wait for everything. And in the spirit of not being able to wait, the 42-day tomato. Being that they are ready for harvest in 42 days means that I'm not going to plant these just yet. Believe me, I am dying for a fresh grown tomato, but these just won't do well. There's not enough sun just yet. So these are going to hold off for a little bit, and we'll get to those eventually. Probably, I'll probably give this another month before I plant it. Another thing that I plan to grow a lot of this year are sunflowers. They're so pretty. I've never really had the opportunity to grow a whole bunch of varieties. I grew a couple of them last year, and it was really fun just watching them stretch to the sky. So I have so far the Mammoth Russian Gray Stripe, Firecatcher, and Lemon Queen. And then I got roped into this one, even though I'm not going to save the seeds from these probably because I don't know what varieties they are. So, but I got a really pretty evening mix of sunflower seeds, just that are going to put out some kind of fun multicolored looking blooms. It's going to be great. The reason I got so many is not only for my own personal garden to bring the pollinators in and just because they're pretty, but also I plan to do some guerrilla gardening. And guerrilla gardening is where you just kind of go and seed bomb random places in your community. So I'm going to take some of those sunflowers. I'm going to take some of my zinnia seeds because I have a billion zinnia seeds from last year, and just go randomly sow them in the strangest places throughout my community, just to add a little pop of color, something to make you smile. I remember last year actually driving down the street, and every time I drove past this one light pole, there was a sunflower about 7 feet tall growing next to it. And I'm like, who planted a sunflower there? I'm thinking it must have been part of the guerrilla gardening movement, and I am here for it. So I'm definitely going to do that. These seeds are going to help me with that. I'm excited. I am going to video it and take you along. So yeah, 8 new varieties for the garden tonight. Actually, 9 and 10, because I didn't even know these were coming. So excited. I'm going to get these peppers seeded right now. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please click here for more content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to go through this journey with you while we grow something wicked awesome from yard to table.